Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And it will even look better if you create something that isn't perfectly symmetrical. And I'm going to start cutting. And if you are having problems with cutting, like the way I just did, then check out my beginner's metalsmithing course. You can find it right here on YouTube, and there are lots of tips in there on how to use your saw blade. I'll give the top and the bottom a quick sand. And now we can clearly see which lines to improve with our needle files. And I believe that this is where you make the difference between a nice piece of jewelry or a very nice piece of jewelry. That is by paying attention to the details. And when you're done, don't forget to check the back as well. This is looking nice, but there are a couple of spots, like right there, that I can't reach with my file, but I have a tip for you. Just take some emery paper and a pair of scissors and cut off a small strip. You can take out your saw blade and place the emery paper in there. And now you can use your saw blade as a very fine file. And again, we'll let it cool by air, and then we can start with the cleanup. And I am going to get back to you after pickling and polishing, so I can show you the end result. And I hope you are ready. Here is the big reveal. And this is just an example on how you can make small flowers yourself and use them in your jewelry. And I think that the secret to success in a design like this is to not try to make the flowers look too perfect. And perhaps you'll get an outcome like this.